Just as words are the building blocks of communication, keywords are the triggers of your research paper that gives you a wide readability and increases the impact factor of your paper. It also helps in search engine optimizations. Nowadays, whenever we search for information in the internet, we just get lost in the wave of humongous data, don't we? And hence, it is very difficult for us to glean and filter the information that we exactly want. It is in this context that keywords come into play. If you use the right keywords, it helps you to filter the right articles for you. So for researchers, using the right keywords gives their paper a wider reach. Not only in terms of indexing services, but also abstracting services picks up the keywords from your article. So if you want better visibility for your article in terms of indexing and abstracting, then you should use the right keywords, because it enhances the visibility of your article, the overall visibility of your article. See, keywords are domain-specific terms or terms related to your field. For example, if a researcher is working on speaking, then his words related to the field may be discourse management, pronunciation, vocabulary, coherence, cohesion, and so on. Similarly, a researcher who is working on COVID-19 may use keywords such as asymptomatic, community transmission, droplet transmission, quarantine, epidemic, isolation, pandemic, and so on. So the keywords helps to build your idea and gives a specificity to your research. See, a few decades back, keywords aren't so important because we just go and use all the print versions, read everything through the print. But now, in the age of internet exploration or internet explosion, we identify an article only using keywords, and we get the articles using the right search terms, and we use keywords for that. So in this context, the present scenario, keywords play a pivotal part in giving better visibility, readability, and impact for your paper. So how should your keywords be? The APA guidelines does not give you any yardstick for how many keywords you should use in the journal. There are no guidelines per se in the APA manual on how many keywords you should use for a journal paper. So again, it depends on the journal. Some journal may specifically ask for 3 keywords and some journals for 5. And there are some Scopus journals where they ask for 8 keywords. So again, it depends on the journal. As I said, there are no hard and fast rules. There is no APA guidelines. You should stick to that particular journal guidelines. So I would like to give you one important take-home message on how you should identify the right keywords for your research. For example, in the ProQuest subject category, in the website there is a ProQuest subject category of keywords. If you look at that list, for all fields they have keywords. The list is exhaustive, but it is not all inclusive. It's an exhaustive list. You can just go and pick your keywords from that. Maybe I leave a link of that ProQuest keyword search database in the description box. So how should you choose your keywords? So that is a strategy to check from the ProQuest database. Another important strategy is look at your targeted journal and see what are the keywords used by researchers. Zero in on the keywords. Make a list of all the keywords. and see if you were to write an article, what keywords would best fit in your article. So pick keywords from already existing list, because it's picking keywords is not plagiarism. So because those words are universal, those words are words that are already approved. So you can very well pick those words from the database. So the simplest tip is pick from your targeted journals. So if you were to go and make a search in a search engine for your review of literature, what are the keywords you would use? Use such keywords, similar keywords. So the simplest strategy is to visit your targeted journal, look at the keywords there, have a list of keywords, and ultimately zero in on keywords which are very specific to your research paper. I hope this video on how to use keywords has helped you. If you find this video useful, you may transfer it to your friends, to the research community. Thank you.